Hello friends, welcome back to another great video. First of all, I want to thank you all guys for your support you are showing these years. I am very thankful to you all. I am nearing 200 subscribers now. I am very excited, happy to have 200 subs on my channel, and I want to thank you all for your kind support, because without your support, I cannot reach here, and I am nothing without your support. And without any rambling, let's go into the review. So I'm not reviewing the video. So it's been over a decade after the first Pixar Cars film came out, and the first film came out in before 14 years, and the second sequel of the film came out 9 years ago, and the third sequel, the final sequel, I think there will be a Cars 4 or a TV series. Either of the both, there will be one. Mostly it will be a Disney Plus TV series, not a film. So this is the final Cars is the final movie sequel for Cars, and shorts will be there coming up. And so many people have still interest and are passionate towards these cars. So I am also one of them. So over 14 years, we guys, me and other Vegas collectors are collecting these cool cars. So I want to make a special video on the 14th anniversary of Pixar Cars. So I'm going to pay tribute to the legends of Pixar voices who sadly passed away, and these actors who died, who voiced the characters from the cars and who died. So I'm going to pay a tribute and tell a brief history of each of them. Let's get into the video. So guys, we are going to see a brief biography of the legends, namely Mr. Paul Newman, who voiced Doc Hudson, Mr. Katherine Helmond, who voiced Lizzie, Mrs. Linda Petty, who voiced Linda Weathers or Mrs. King, Mr. George Carlin, who voiced Fillmore. First of all, let's see about Paul Newman. Paul Leonard Newman was born on 26th January 1925 in Shaker Heights, Ohio, US. He was an American actor, film director, producer, race car driver, IndyCar championship owner, entrepreneur, and philanthropist. He was the recipient of numerous awards, including an Academy Award, a BAFTA Award, a Screen Actors Guild Award, and a Primetime Emmy Award. So, Mr. Newman was born as second son of Mrs. Teresa Garth and Mr. Arthur Sigmund Newman Sr. Mr. Paul Newman's father ran a sports shop. Paul's mother was a practitioner at Christian Science. He had an keen interest on acting from the early age of 7. His first role was in the school production of Robin Hood. He mostly acted in documentary films. His major film roles include The Hustler 1961, HUD 1963, Harper 1966, Cool Hand Luke 1967, Shot 1977, and many more. His final and non-documentary role was Doc Hudson in Disney Pixar's feature film Cars, which was released in the year 2006. Newman was also a race car driver. He won several national championships as driver in Sports Car Club of America road racing, and his race teams won several championships in open wheel IndyCar racing. And as a 10-time Oscar nominee, Paul Newman won the Academy Award for the Best Actor for The Color of Money 1986. He also received Academy Honorary Award and Jean Harshit Humanitarian Award. He was a co-founder of Newman's Own, a food company from which he donated all post-tax profits to the charity. As of November 8, 2018, these donations have totaled over $535 million. In 1998, Newman founded Serious Fun Children's Network, a global family of summer camps and programs for which children with serious illness has served 2.9k children over. In 2006, Paul Newman also co-founded the Safe Water Network with John Whitehead, former chairman of Goldman Sachs, and Josh Westson, former chairman of ADP, to improve access to safe water to many underserved communities around the world. He founded this organization. His wife was Joanne Woodward, an Oscar-winning actress. After acting several films, his career ended up with the film Road to Perdition in 2002, and then in 2006 he voiced as for Doc Hudson in Disney Pixar's CGI animated film Pixar Cars, and unfortunately he died on 26th September 2008 due to lung cancer. So let's see about Mrs. Catherine Mary Helmond, who voiced Lizzie in Pixar Cars, Cars 2 and also Cars 3. She also voiced Lizzie in shorts and video games. Mrs. Catherine Helmond was born on July 5th, 1929 in Galveston, Texas, the only child of Thelma and Joseph P. Helmond. She was raised by her mother and grandmother. Both were devout Catholics. She attended a Catholic primary school and appeared in school plays. For a semester, she attended Bob Jones University in Greenville, South Carolina, and appeared in its film Wine of the Morning. After her stage debut in As You Like It, Helmond began working in New York City in 1955. She also ran a summer theater in Catskills for 3 seasons and taught acting in university theater programs. She got a Tony Award nomination for her performance on Broadway in Eugene O'Neill's The Great God Brown, 1973. Her other appearances in Broadway include Private Lines, Don Juan, and Mixed Emotions. She appeared in feature films such as Family Plot, 1976, Time Bandits, 1981, Brazil, 1985, and many more. Her other television and short comedy series include The Legend of the Lizzie Borden, Everybody Loves Raymond, Who's the Boss, and many more. Spencer's Pilot, Coach, and the Glade HP and the HBO series of True Blood are her famous TV drama series. In 1957, Helmond married George N. Martin, an American TV, stage, and film actor. After their divorce in 1962, she married her second husband, David Christian. They remained married until her death. She unfortunately died on February 23, 2019 from complications of Alzheimer's disease at her home in Los Angeles, aged 90. Her death was announced a week later. Now let's see about George Carlin, who voiced Fillmore in Pixar's Cars. His full name is George Dennis Patrick Carlin. He was an American stand-up comedian, social critic, philosopher, actor, and author. Widely regarded as one of the most important and influential stand-up comedians of all time, he was once dubbed as the Dean of Conculture Comedians. He was well known for his dark comedy and reflections on politics, English language, psychology, religion, and various taboo subjects. He was born in Manhattan, New York City on May 12, 1937 to Mary Carlin and Patrick John Carlin. He had an older brother named Patrick Jr. His father was an Irish immigrant from country Donegal who worked as an advertising manager for the Sun newspaper publishers, New York City, and his mother was an Irish American. His grandmother name was O'Grady. He named his character on the George Carlin show as O'Grady to pay homage to his grandmother. He attended Corpus Christi School, a Roman Catholic parish school, school by Corpus Christi Church in Morningside Heights. He went to the Bronx for high school, but after 3 semesters, Carlin was expelled from Cardinal Hayes High School at the age of 15. He briefly attended Bishop Dubois High School in Harlem and Salesian High School in Goshen, New York. He spent many summers at the Camp Notre Dame on Spofford Lake in Spofford, New Hampshire, and regularly won the camp's drama award. Then Carlin joined the US Air Force and trained as a radar technician there. In 1959, Carlin met Jack Burns, a fellow at radio station KKOL in Fort Worth, Texas. They formed a comedy team, and after successful performances at Fort Worth Beat Coffee House called the Cellar, Burns and Carlin headed for California in 1960. Within weeks of arriving in California, Burns and Carlin put together an audition tape and created the Wright Brothers, a morning show at KD in Hollywood. During their tenure at KD, they honed their material in beatnik coffee houses at night. Years later, when he was honored with a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, Carlin requested that it be placed in the front of the K-Day Studios near the corner of Sunset Boulevard and Vine Street. Burns and Carlin created their only album, Burns and Carlin, at the Playboy Club Tonight in May 1960 at Cosmo Alley in Hollywood. After 2 years of working together as a team, they parted to pursue individual careers but remained as best friends. Carlin met Brenda Horsbrook in August 1960 in Dayton, Ohio. They were married at her parents' home in Dayton on June 3rd, 1961. The couple's only child, future writer Kelly Mary Carlin, was born on June 15th, 1963. Mrs. Horsbrook died of liver cancer on May 11th, 1997, the day before George Carlin's 60th birthday. Then 6 months later, he met Hollywood-based comedy writer Sally Wade and fell in love with her, but he controlled his feelings for her, but he eventually married her on June 24th, 1998. They stayed married until George Carlin's death in 2008, 2 days before their 10th year anniversary. George Carlin had frequent heart attacks. These included 3 attacks in the years 1978, 1982 and 1991. Finally, on June 22, 2008, George Carlin died of heart failure at St. John's Health Center. Unfortunately, as his wish, after his death, his ashes were spread over Spofford Lake because he had spent most of his summers at the camp there, so he wished his ashes to be spreaded over the lake, and his ashes were also spreaded over the nightclubs where he played. So unfortunately, on 22nd June 2008, George Carlin, who was a stand-up comedian and who had given us many thoughtful lessons through his comedy. So, and he voiced our Fillmore in Cars 1. So after Cars 1 2008 he died. So in Cars 2 and Cars 3 another actor voiced Fillmore. So this is all about George Carlin. Next, let's see about Linda Petty, who voiced Linda Weathers or Mrs. the King in Pixar Cars. Linda Petty was born on March 6th, 1942. She was married to Richard Petty, who also voiced Strip Weathers in Pixar Cars, who was husband of Linda Petty, and Strip Weathers in the movie also husband of Linda Weathers or Mrs. the King. So both of them voiced the characters. She was married to Richard Petty until her death in 2014 due to spinal cancer. She accompanied Richard Petty all her life. Richard Petty, as most of us will know, was a 7-time Daytona 500 champion and 7-time Cup Series title driver in NASCAR, and possibly unbeatable record of 200 Cup Series winners. Vince, sorry, and owner of Richard Petty Motorsports Company. And her son Kyle Petty is the most famous of their 5 children, as he became a NASCAR driver like his father Richard Petty. He won eight cups, and in 2010 Linda Petty was diagnosed with spinal cancer and finally passed away sadly on March 25th, 2014, aged 72. That's all for the video, guys. I am so happy to share these things with you guys, and I'm happy that I am giving a tribute to these legends who made our franchise possible. Rest in peace, Mr. Paul Newman, Mrs. Catherine Helmond, Mr. George Carlin, and Mrs. Linda Petty. Rest in peace. So I want to thank you all for sharing your precious time with me today in this video. And it's been 14 years of Pixar cars and collecting these cool diecasts. So it's been a long time, and I'm still in the road of collecting, and I will make many more contents. Don't worry, I will still be continuing on YouTube, so I will be uploading many cool contents. Don't worry, guys, I will still be on the road of YouTube. Don't worry. So thank you all for sharing your time with me. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Thank you. Have a nice day.